If you need to cancel a pending transaction on Amazon Prime, follow these steps to ensure the transaction is successfully halted before it completes. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Amazon website or open the Amazon app and log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Go to your orders. Navigate to the Your Orders section, which can typically be found in the menu under Accounts and Lists. This will display a list of your recent transactions. Step 3. Locate the pending transaction. Scroll through your orders to find the pending transaction you wish to cancel. Pending transactions are often marked clearly, making them easier to identify. Step 4. Select the transaction. Click on the specific transaction to view more details. This will provide you with options related to that order. Step 5. Cancel the order. Look for the Cancel Order button or link and click on it. Follow any prompts to confirm the cancellation. You should receive a confirmation message once the order is successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can effectively cancel a pending transaction on Amazon Prime. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Amazon customer service for assistance.